Hi. Since we didn't have much time to go over some of the grammar for this week, I'm just going to go over it quickly on here. So, first, this is a commonly confused words. So we'll start with a really easy one. Woman versus woman. So this is very, very simple. You only use woman when you mean one woman. So one person that's a woman. Everything else is women. So one plus. So if you're saying 3 women walked into the cafeteria, that means, more than one. If you say 1 woman, that's 1 woman. So Ma Remote's Way is a woman, but Ma Remote's Way and her assistant are women. So make sure you get that right because I keep seeing that a lot. Next, affect and effect. So this is one that I'm doing even with my seniors. So basically the rule is affect is usually used as a verb. So it's the action word of the sentence. So your grades might be affected if you don't study. That's a verb. Your grades will be affected. Versus effect, which is a noun. So that's more like the effect of not studying could be low grades. So this is the action word, affect. This is the noun, effect. If that makes sense, hopefully so. Okay, so that's effect and effect. Next, another big one that I'll focus on for sure on the quiz is whose versus whose. So this is the same as the rules of your and your. This is the possessive. So that's when you're talking about like whose books are these? Whose class are you in? That's just belonging to who. This one here with the apostrophe is a contraction, and it means who is. So, who's coming to the party? Who's going to meet you there? You mean who is, so you use the one with the apostrophe. We also talked in class about accept versus accept. So let's just go over this briefly. This here is with the A is the one that you're going to be like accepted to college, or you're accepted into a group. Except, like out, is when you're left out. So if you like all of your classes except English, which I hope isn't true, it would be this one, accept. But if you say, I accept the fact that blah, 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 then you're accepting. And that's pretty much it. So make sure to look over these again before your vocab quiz on Thursday.